The morning walk. Every morning, Daniel woke up at 6 o'clock. He did not like waking up early, but he wanted to build better habits. After getting dressed, he put on his running shoes and left his apartment. The streets were quiet. Most people were still sleeping, and the city felt calm and peaceful. Daniel enjoyed the fresh air and the sound of birds singing in the trees. He walked slowly through a nearby park and watched the sunrise. The sky changed from dark blue to orange and gold. One morning, while walking near a small lake, he noticed an elderly man sitting alone on a bench. The man smiled and greeted him. Daniel smiled back and sat down for a few minutes. They started talking about life, work, and happiness. The old man told him something he would never forget. He said, "Many people spend their lives waiting for the perfect moment. They wait to travel, to learn, to start a business, or to follow a dream. But the truth is that there is no perfect moment. The best time to begin is usually now." Those words stayed in Daniel's mind. He realized that he had been postponing many things because he was afraid of making mistakes. He wanted everything to be perfect before he started. That day, he decided to change. When he returned home, he wrote down 3 goals. The first was to improve his English. The second was to exercise regularly. The third was to learn a new skill. He promised himself that he would take small steps every day. Months passed, and Daniel noticed a big difference in his life. His English became better, he felt healthier, and he was more confident. Most importantly, he learned that success does not come from one big action. It comes from many small actions repeated over time. From then on, every morning, walk reminded him of the lesson he had learned on that bench. Start today, do your best, and keep moving forward.